Di man to dalawa. Wala palitan mo. May ayaw. Ano ko lang. Okay. This is it, guys.
This is it. It's so small.
Kilang yan.
Iyakan mo. Okay na. Baba mo na. Matutulog ako, diba? Matutulog ako, diba?
Wait lang. Paano to i-replace yung ulo?
Kumain kang kanin dyan. Here lang.
This is the greeting head. This is the shout. This is where the shouting is, guys. Kakabit ko lang greeting.
Ilagay mo muna ito yung natutulog na ako.
Lang, guys. Okay, I put this thing back since this thing won't even fit. This greeting thing. But it's time to go with the other accessories. And we also have a stance. So we better get, you guys better get ready because this cost me hundreds. Okay, here's my favorite part. Stance. The stance I've been waiting for. Ay, mali. Wala pa na kasi yung kabit. Baliktad! My bad, guys. Here we have the stance. Okay. Nah, I'm using this. What the heck? Wait, guys. Okay, that's okay. So we're gonna change the hands with these. You guys don't know how happy I am right now. Hi. Okay. Okay, this is for the right. Here. And the other one.
Kasi may masok.
Ano to, may seta? Nabayaran na ba yung 15?
Ano kasi may masok?
Nabayad ko na.
Bas,
May mo ng pagkain para lumabas. Yung dalawa.
nagbablog ko. Para di ka ma-disturb.
Okay, guys, I'm having problems with my stance.
Sino lang lumabas?
Okay, I'm gonna make it try and hold him.
Ay, sorry.
There. I'm gonna make some poses. Is it like that? Yes. So we're gonna make it. Let me try and take the face and replace it with the shouting, which I was waiting for. There. I think that's it. Wait. So this was the package. Yes, this is how it went. I don't like how dark it is, but I'm gonna compare it to my tallest tallest. Okay, this was my tallest. I'm gonna compare it. See? Barely. It's 9.5 to 10 inches. I read, but this was what I was waiting for. By the way, yeah, there. Perfect. Okay, look at that. That is. I don't even have that much lighting, but I'm very thankful of it. I'm very thankful that it arrived. But look, there's still more. This thing is what I was struggling to put on, and I still have a lot of accessories. So there, I finally got it. You just have to put it in the perfect position. Put it in your position. Wait. Okay, guys, I put it in its. Wait, was it in the video when I was putting it in a? Okay, don't talk about that. Screen face, by the way. Here. Okay, don't mind the other. I thought it was not paused. I thought it was paused. I mean, but that's all. Thank you guys for watching.